The LED flashlight gloves are a practical gadget designed for hands-free illumination during tasks like camping, fishing, or repairing. These gloves feature built-in LED lights on the fingertips, providing a convenient lighting solution in dark or hard-to-reach areas. Ideal as gifts for men, dads, boyfriends, or husbands, they make an excellent choice for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. These gloves are perfect for anyone who needs a handy, wearable flashlight for everyday tasks. The LC Fun Waterproof Lighter is a durable outdoor tool designed for camping, hiking, and survival adventures. It features a windproof dual arc and flameless plasma design, making it reliable in various weather conditions. USB rechargeable, this electric lighter provides a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional lighters. Its rugged, waterproof build ensures it remains functional in harsh environments, making it an essential piece of tactical gear for outdoor enthusiasts. The Kiywold Smart Interactive Cat Toy is an automatic moving and bouncing ball designed to keep indoor cats and kittens engaged. It features a peppy pet ball with lights and a bell, stimulating your cat's natural hunting instincts. The toy rolls and bounces on its own, creating unpredictable movements that captivate your pet's attention. Ideal for active play, this gray ball toy helps to reduce boredom and keeps your feline friend entertained while encouraging physical exercise. The Odistar Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is a compact, cordless dust sweeper designed for efficient cleaning of tables and workspaces. With a high-endurance battery lasting up to 90 minutes, this mini vacuum provides extended cleaning time. Its 360 degrees rotatable design ensures easy maneuverability, allowing you to reach all corners of your desk or table. Ideal for quickly picking up crumbs, dust, and small debris, it's perfect for keeping your workspace tidy and organized. The Chicken Shredder Large Chicken Breast Shredder Tool is designed to make shredding meat fast and easy. This tool features a twist mechanism with a visible meat shredding section, along with a brush and fork for added convenience. Its strong anti-slip strip and ergonomic handle provide a comfortable and secure grip during use. Made from BPA-free materials, it's perfect for efficiently shredding chicken, pork, beef, and other meats, making meal prep quick and hassle-free.